and see. A big fun letter, it's P. Sunny. P for parrot, green and bright, flying high with all its might. Red, red beak and pretty tail, happy parrot never fail. Frisk. P for parrot, P, 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 say it loud, come sing with me. P for parrot, fun and free, learning letters happily. Parrot loves to fly so high, waving wings across the sky. Parrot talks, hello, hello, learning P is fun, you know. Parrot likes to eat sweet fruit, crunchy seeds are yummy too. Hop, hop, hop from tree to tree, happy parrot sings with me. Woo! Let's write the letter P-A-T, one long line, then a little loop. Whoopee! P, P, P. P for parrot, say with me. P, P, P. Now you know the letter P. Plum. Now you know the letter P. Clap your hands, 1, 2, 3. Subscribe and learn ABC with ABC.